Hello viewers. Welcome to our channel. We came with another video on logical reasoning. This is part 3. This video is very informative and important for those students who are appearing in different institutional tests like Pakistan Air Force, Navy, Army and MDCAT. We have studied about analogies in previous video. Here we will discuss its types. There are 3 types of analogy. 1. Word-based analogy. 2. Number-based analogy. 3. Alphabet-based analogy. This video is based on the first type, that is word-based analogy. Let us learn now. 1. Dean is to college. As museum is to what? Options are A. Curator. B. Custodian. C. Supervisor. D. Warden. Correct answer is A. Curator. College is headed by dean as museum is headed by curator. 2. Afghanistan is to Kabul. As. Pakistan is to what? A. Islamabad. B. Lahore. C. Rawalpindi. D. Karachi. Correct answer is A. Islamabad. Capital of Afghanistan is Kabul, as capital of Pakistan is Islamabad. 3. Bird is to fly. As snake is to what? Options are A. Hole. B. Crawl. C. Stroll. D. Clatter. Correct answer is B. Crawl. Fly is the movement of bird. As crawl is the movement of snake. 4. Moth is to insect. As mouse is to what? A. Mole. B. Rodent. C. Cat. D. Rat. Correct answer is B. Rodent. Moth belongs to insect class, as mouse belong to rodent class. 5. Fire is to extinguish. As thirst is to what? Options are A. Quench. B. Satiate. C. Mitigate. D. Drink. Correct answer is A. Quench. Second is the name given to the act of doing with the first. 6. Grain is to stock. As stick is to what? Options are A. Heap. B. Bundle. C. String. D. Collection. Correct answer is B. Bundle. Collection of grain is called stock. As collection of sticks is called bundle. 7. Man is to biography. As nation is to what? Options are A. Leadership. B. Geography. C. History. D. People. Correct answer is C. History. Study of man is biography, as study of nation is history. 8. Candle is to wax. As paper is to what? Options are A. Pulp. B. Wood. C. Tree. D. Bamboo. Correct answer is A. Pulp. Candle is made from wax, as paper is made from pulp. 9. Muslims is to mosque. As Sikhs is to what? Options are A. Temple. B. Gurdwara. C. Synagogue. D. Mandar. Correct answer is B. Gurdwara. Muslims say their prayer in mosque, as Sikhs say their prayer in Gurdwara. 10. Paw is to cat. As hoof is to what? Options are A. Horse. B. Goat. C. Lion. D. Elephant. Correct answer is A. Horse. Paw is the foot of cat. As hoof is the foot of horse. 11. Fire is to ashes. As explosion is to what? Options are A. Flame. B. Death. C. Debris. D. Sound. Correct answer is circa debris. Remain of fire is ashes. As remain of explosion is debris. 12. Fog is to visibility. As aids as to what? Options are A. Health. B. Virus. C. Resistance. D. Death. Correct answer is C. Resistance. Fog is to visibility as aids is to resistance. 13. Ship is to sea. As camel is to what? Options are A. Forest. B. Desert. C. Land. D. Mountain. Correct answer is B. Desert. Ship sails in the sea. As camel walks in the desert. 14. Election is to manifesto. As meeting is to what? Options are A. Report. B. Agreement. C. Circular. D. Agenda. Correct answer is D. Agenda. Manifesto is the list of all issues undertaken by the party in elections. As agenda is the list of all issues to be discussed in the meeting. 15. Canoe is to boat. As mansion is to what? Options are A. Hut. B. Bungalow. C. Palace. D. House. Correct answer is D. House. Canoe is the type of boat. As mansion is the type of house. 16. Dog is to bark. As goat is to what? A. Bleat. B. Grunt. C. Howl. D. Bray. Correct answer is A. Bleat. Noise produced by dog is bark. As noise produced by goat is bleat. 17. Moon is to satellite. As earth is to what? Options are A. Planet. B. Asteroid. C. Sun. D. Solar system. Correct answer is A. Planet. Moon is a satellite. As earth is a planet. 18. Blunt is to sharp. As so is to what? Options are A. Water. B. Farm. C. Crow. D. Reap. Correct answer is D. Reap. Sharp is the antonym of blunt. As reap is the antonym of sow. 19. USA is to Congress. As Iran is to what? Options are A. Majlis. B. Althing. C. Parliament. D. Cortez. Correct answer is A. Majlis. Parliament of USA is Congress. As Parliament of Iran is Majlis. 20. Wine is to grapes. As vodka is to what? Options are A. Potatoes. B. Flour. C. Apple. D. Orange. Correct answer is B. Flour. Wine is prepared from grapes. As vodka is prepared from flour. 21. Seismograph is to earthquake. As tasometer is to what? Options are A. Voldanos. B. Strains. C. Resistance. D. Landslide. Correct answer is B. Strains. Seismograph is used to measure intensity of earthquake. As tasometer is used to measure strains. 22. Convoy is to ships. As deputation is to what? Options are A. Voters. B. Representatives. C. Politicians. D. Writers. Correct answer is B. Representatives. Convoy is the group of ships as deputation is the group of representatives. 23. Mattock is to dig. As shovel is to what? Options are A. Break. B. Scoop. C. Push. D. Squash. Correct answer is B. Scoop. Mattock is a tool to dig hard ground. As shovel is a tool to scoop. 24. Venerate is to worship. As extol is to what? Options are A. Glorify. B. Compliment. C. Homage. D. Recommend. Correct answer is A. Glorify. These are synonym of each other. Venerate means great respect. Extol means praise. 25. Pagan is to peace. As white flag is to what? Options are A. Friendship. B. War. C. Victory. D. Surrender. Correct answer is D. Surrender. Pagan is the symbol of peace, as white flag is the symbol of surrender. 26. Eye is to myopia. As teeth is to what? Options are A. Pyorrhea. B. Eczema. C. Cataract. D. Trachoma. Correct answer is A. Pyorrhea. Myopia is the disease of eye as pyorrhea is the disease of teeth. 27. Ornithology is to birds. As anthropology is to what? Options are A. Plants. B. Mankind. C. Animals. D. Environment. Correct answer is B. Mankind. Study of birds is ornithology. As study of humanity is anthropology. 28. Oasis is to sand. As island is to what? Options are A. River. B. Waves. C. Sea. D. Water. Correct answer is D. Water. Oasis is a water pool amidst sand, as island is a piece of land amidst water. 29. Traveler is to journey. As sailor is to what? Options are A. Voyage. B. Sea. C. Crew. D. Ship. Correct answer is A. Voyage. Traveling is called journey as sailing by ship is called voyager. 30. Antiseptic is to germs. As antidote is to what? Options are A. Allergy. B. Poison. C. Wound. D. Infection. Correct answer is B. Antiseptic counters germs effect as antidote counters poisons effect.
Thanks for watching.